Windows 10 versus Windows 11, should you upgrade? Well, I recently did a series on my Threadripper 3970X system about the differences in performance between 10 and 11. Ran a bunch of things like Puget benchmarks, some gaming, stuff like that. And overall, Windows 11 basically crushed Windows 10 in terms of performance. And this is single 3090, dual 3090s, obviously DaVinci Resolve stacks with more 3090s, and that actually improved greatly with Windows 11. Now, none of that holds a candle to Linux. Linux just outperforms both 10 and 11, but that's, Threadripper workstation stuff, cool. When it came to these systems here, like a 13900KS or 13900K, 12900K, 7950X system, 5950X system, they all run better on Windows 11 now compared to Windows 10. Now, when Windows 11 came out, yes, it was a crapshoot, and people were justifiably so wanting to stay away from Windows 11. Now, there's really no reason not to go to Windows 11 and gain those additional benefits unless you just have some wonky proprietary software that just won't run on Windows 11 for some reason, and I haven't really heard of that much lately.